When a dock leveler stops working, technicians need a replacement that fits fast and installs without hassle. But in the field, every setup is different. Different dock levelers, different unit types, different installation challenges. IDD Parts offers a complete range of hydraulic units for the most common replacement jobs. Made as direct replacements for many well-known brands. From swing lip to telescopic lip dock levelers, each unit is made for fast replacement. Bolt-for-bolt fitting, plug-and-play installation, and matching wiring and hose connections. At the center of it all is the universal bracket, giving technicians more flexibility and helping the unit fit where it needs to fit. Less adaptation, less downtime. Just the right unit for a better and faster repair. Discover the hydraulic unit range from IDD Parts.